Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is M.A.C. I have created this look today to showcase the power of makeup. I love makeup so much. With a good makeup skill, you can enhance your beauty. You can boost up your confidence level so much. So if you like this creativity and want to know how I create this look, please watch the full tutorial. First of all, I'm going to draw a line over here where I will not do any makeup. For that, I'm taking this Nickel lip liner. I primed my skin already. Now I'm gonna start with foundation, and I'm using this DERMACOL foundation. The shade is 221. And I'm gonna just So my foundation is done. Now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrow, and for that I'm taking this L'Oreal Brow Artist Pomade, and the brush I'm using is MAC 222. To clean my eyebrow line, I'm using this DERMACOL foundation, and the shade is 209. Moving to the eye. For primer, I'm gonna use this Elegant Pro Concealer, and the shade is Porcelain. Today I'm gonna use two of my favorite eyeshadow palette. One is Morphe 35B and another one is Juvia's Masquerade Large Palette. I'm gonna pick a dark blue shade. I'm taking black from the Morphe palette. Now I'm taking a reddish brown shade from Juvia's palette. I'm gonna blend the edges. And the brush I'm using is by EYESHADOW. I'm using the same concealer to cut my crease. Now again I'm using the blue color. I'm going to take a light reddish brown shade. Now I'm going to put a little shimmery shade, and I'm stamping it with my fingertips. Again I'm going to add a shimmer. Now I'm going to add the color. I'm going to use on my inner corner. Now I'm going to create a winged liner, but it will be a different wing. I will be adding white liner. For that I'm taking this Absolute New York white waterproof gel eyeliner. Now I'm going to put this red brown shade from Juvia's palette. Now I'm going to add a black liner in the inner side, and I'm using this Maybelline sketch liner for this. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corner with this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighter palette. Now I'm going to draw a fake inner corner with this Faces Canada Ultra Matte Liquid Liner. Now I'm going to add some white liner on my lower waterline. For that I'm again using the Absolute New York white eyeliner. Now I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. For that I'm taking brown color. In the inner side I'm going to add some golden shimmer. Now I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone. It's time to conceal my face. For that again I'm going to use the DERMACOL foundation. To set my concealer I'm going to use this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm taking this shade called Luric and I'm going to press that underneath my eye. Now I'm going to do contour, and I'm using the same palette and I'm taking this Shadowplay shade. Now I'm going to add some blush, and I'm using this and this shade, and this palette is Sugar and Spice by Makeup Revolution London. Now I'm gonna highlight my face, and I'm using Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Highlighter Palette. Now I'm gonna finish this side. I have done this. This is a fabric pen. I'm using this pen to draw the outline. Now I'm gonna add some black. Now I'm gonna add some lipstick, and I'm using this ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is Tulle. My makeup is completed. Now I'm gonna fix this with this MAC Fix Plus. If you guys like this look, please let me know by commenting below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button so you will get notification every time I upload. Thank you.